So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so sorry that it's so dark, but I have to leave right now. I'm already so late. The weather is bad outside, so I'm going to take my umbrella. I don't want to show you guys like me packing my stuff and all that because it's like repetitive, so I'm just going to be showing you guys when I get there. Hopefully today is going to be a very active day. Struggling with this one. You don't like this. Yes, your body is already fine. Why do you want to go? Want to buy
a few moments later. Much later.
How many of you have streamed before? This will give us a dusty mouth, and I don't want it.
The next day.
Call disinfectant. Okay, thank you, please. Great.
Many hours later.
I just hate when people feel like. What do you say? That gets
I'm so stressed.
yes, kind of. That just wants to answer for you. That's
The next morning.